Meaning of hypocrisy.
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 Hypocrisy. Hypocrisy is the act of pretending to have moral or ethical beliefs or principles that one does not actually possess. It involves saying or doing one thing, but believing or behaving in a way that contradicts it. Hypocritical behavior is often criticized for being dishonest and insincere, and can lead to a loss of trust and respect from others. In short, hypocrisy involves a person being two-faced and not living up to their professed beliefs or values. It can be damaging to personal relationships, organizations, and society as a whole.